Mr. Speaker, I rise to move a motion on the urgent need to stop incessant armed attacks in southern Kaduna communities and local government areas of Kaduna State. Mr. Speaker, the House notes that several communities across southern Kaduna have come under severe attacks by armed militia, which has left behind serious humanitarian crisis over thousands of internally displaced persons. Also note that in the last couple of months, most communities in southern Kaduna local government areas cannot go to farm as the invaders have taken over most of the villages and communities. Mr. Speaker, the House also concerned that the attacks have continued despite a 24-hour curfew imposed in most of the local government areas of southern Kaduna for several weeks now. The House also is concerned by the unfortunate armed attacks on Kukumdaji communities in Kaura local government area of Kaduna State on the night of Sunday 19 July 2020. Alarmed that no fewer than 19 persons were killed in the attack by gunmen who were heavily armed with sophisticated weapons. The House is also disturbed that yet to be an unidentified gunmen had launched the attack on the village around 10:30 p.m. on Sunday night. Also disturbed that over 30 persons who escaped by the whiskers sustained various degrees of injury. The House is also worried that the attackers, who are heavily armed with rifles and other dangerous weapons, descended on the villagers and killed them in cold blood after attending a wedding party in one of the houses in the community. Also worried that about 32 other people who sustained various degrees of injury were rushed to the hospitals, but unfortunately 2 of them died in the hospital. Further worried that some of the villagers are still missing, as villagers are in fear to search deep into the bush for their loved ones, as security agents have not been deployed to the community. The House also is recognizes that the combined effect of Section 4, subsection 1, Section 2, and Section 2A, 2B, and 2C of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, which guarantees that the Federal Republic of Nigeria shall be a state based on the principles of democracy and social justice. It is hereby accordingly declared that A, sovereignty belongs to the people of Nigeria, from whom government through the Constitution derives all its powers and authority. B, the security and welfare of the people shall be the primary purpose of government. And C, the participation by the people of their government shall be ensured in accordance with the provision of the Constitution. Now the House do resolves the prayer. Call on the Inspector General of Police to urgently intervene and direct adequate deployment of security personnel in the affected communities for the protection of lives and property. Fish out the perpetrators and their sponsors and bring them to justice. 2, urge the Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development to intervene and provide social and material support to the victims of the attack and displaced villagers in the communities, and return IDPs to their ancestral lands and resettle them. 3, also urge the National Emergency Management Agency to provide relief materials to the affected communities. Lastly, mandate the Committee on Police Affairs, Disaster Management and Preparedness to ensure compliance. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I beg to move.